Hello, health-conscious friends. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of natural hair growth. If you're passionate about holistic wellness, Ayurveda, home remedies, and sustainable living, you're in the right place. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to achieving healthy, luscious locks the natural way. Get ready to transform your hair and boost your confidence. Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly grow long, strong, and vibrant hair? Is it genetics, or is there more to the story? The truth is, healthy hair growth is a combination of understanding your hair, nourishing it from within, and adopting the right care routine. It's about working with your body's natural processes, not against them. Before we dive in, please remember that I'm sharing general information and tips based on research and traditional practices. I'm not a medical professional, so if you have specific concerns or underlying health issues, please consult with a qualified healthcare provider. Let's start with the basics. To truly care for your hair, you need to understand its growth cycle, texture, and type, as well as identify any potential roadblocks to growth. Your hair goes through a continuous cycle of growth, rest, and shedding. Understanding these phases is key to maximizing your hair's potential. There are generally 3 stages in the cycle. Anagen, growing phase. This is the active growth phase, where your hair follicles are hard at work producing new strands. During this phase, the hair grows about 1 to 2 centimeters every 28 days. This phase typically lasts about 3 to 5 years, but can last 5 to 7 years for Asian hair. In this phase, hair grows approximately ½ an inch each month. Catagen, transition phase. This is a short intermediate stage that signals the end of the active growth. The hair follicle shrinks, cutting off the blood supply. This phase lasts about 2 to 3 weeks, and only 5% of hairs are in the catagen phase at any given time. Telogen, resting phase. During this phase, the follicle remains inactive for 3 to 6 months. Older hairs that have finished their life will fall out, and newer hairs will begin to grow. During this time, hair is either pulled out when combed or naturally falls out on its own. As much as 50 to 100 hairs can be shed during this time. Think of your hair follicles like a garden. The anagen phase is when you're actively planting and nurturing your plants. The catagen phase is like a brief pause in the gardening process. And the telogen phase is when some plants naturally shed their leaves to make way for new growth. Not all hair is created equal. Understanding your hair's texture and type is crucial for choosing the right products and routines. Texture. Hair texture refers to the thickness or diameter of individual hair strands. It can be fine, medium, or coarse. Hair type refers to the curl pattern. The common hair types are straight, wavy, curly, and coily. Straight hair. This hair type is smooth and usually lacks curl or volume. Wavy hair. This hair type features an S-shaped bend that may vary in tightness. Curly hair. This hair type features tight and distinct ringlets of hair strands with variations like looser spirals or tight coils. Coily hair. This hair type is characterized by very tight curls and tends to be very dry. Porosity. Hair porosity refers to your hair's ability to absorb and retain moisture. It can be low or high. Wash your hair with a clarifying shampoo to remove any product buildup. Allow your hair to air dry completely. Observe your hair's natural texture and curl pattern. If you have fine, straight hair, you'll want to avoid heavy products that can weigh it down. If you have thick, curly hair, you'll need products that provide ample moisture and definition. Several factors can hinder hair growth, even if you have a great hair care routine. It is important to understand the causes of hair thinning and hair loss to address the issue at its root and boost hair growth. High stress levels can disrupt the hair growth cycle. Nutrition deficiencies in essential vitamins and minerals can impact hair health. Hormonal imbalances. Conditions like thyroid issues or PCOS can affect hair growth. Medical conditions. Illness can disrupt the growth cycle. Medications. Certain medications can have side effects that impact hair growth. If you suspect any of these factors are affecting your hair growth, consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Now that you understand your hair and potential obstacles, let's talk about nourishing it from the inside out. What you eat has a direct impact on your hair's health and growth. The cells in the root rapidly divide to form new hair. Nutrient deficiencies may disrupt the hair growth cycle. Leafy greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote healthy hair follicles. Protein sources are essential for building strong hair strands. Healthy fats provide essential fatty acids that nourish the scalp and hair. Start your day with a green smoothie packed with spinach kale protein powder and avocado. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for overall health, including hair growth. Water helps transport nutrients to your hair follicles and keeps your scalp moisturized. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder. Certain supplements can potentially aid hair growth by addressing nutrient deficiencies. Some supplements that may promote hair growth include vitamin D, biotin, iron, vitamin C, and zinc. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements, as some can interact with medications or have side effects. With a healthy diet and proper hydration in place, let's focus on your hair care routine. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair growth. Cleanse regularly. Use a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo to remove dirt, oil, and product buildup. Exfoliate. Exfoliating your scalp can help remove dead skin cells and promote circulation. Massage. Massaging your scalp can increase blood flow to the hair follicles. Mix 2 tablespoons of brown sugar with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a few drops of essential oil like rosemary or lavender. Gently massage onto your scalp and rinse thoroughly. Selecting the right hair care products can make a significant difference in your hair's health and growth. Hair growth serums contain ingredients that stimulate hair follicles and promote growth. Hair oils like coconut argan and jojoba can nourish the scalp and hair. Conditioners help to hydrate and strengthen hair. Regular deep conditioning treatments can provide intense hydration and nourishment, helping to strengthen your hair and prevent breakage. Mix half a cup of yogurt with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply to damp hair, cover with a shower cap, and leave on for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Now let's explore some advanced strategies to unlock your hair's full growth potential. Protective styles can shield your hair from damage and encourage growth. Braids can protect hair from damage and encourage growth. Twists can also protect hair from damage and encourage growth. Heat styling can cause significant damage to your hair, leading to breakage and stunted growth. Embrace your natural hair texture whenever possible. When you do use heat, use a heat protectant spray and keep the temperature as low as possible. Achieving significant hair growth takes time and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Trust the process, stay consistent with your routine, and celebrate the small victories along the way. You've achieved your hair growth goals. Congratulations! Now, let's talk about maintaining those results. Regular trims are essential for removing split ends and preventing them from traveling up the hair shaft. Trimming your hair doesn't actually make it grow faster, but it does keep it healthy and strong. Sticking to a consistent hair care routine is key to maintaining healthy hair growth. Create a schedule that works for you and make it a non-negotiable part of your self-care routine. Acknowledge and celebrate your hair growth journey. Take pictures, track your progress, and reward yourself for reaching milestones. And there you have it, the top tips for achieving natural hair growth. By understanding your hair, nourishing it from within, adopting the right care routine, and staying patient and consistent, you can unlock your hair's full potential. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural and homemade beauty tips. Share it with your friends who are also on a hair growth journey. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite hair growth tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep growing.